Hey Plant Pals, I'm Mike Kid Gardener, and today's quick video is on something I did today that I forgot to record the process of because I just thought about it. I got a spaghetti squash from the store and microwaved it and used my homemade spaghetti sauce to add to make spaghetti with the spaghetti squash. It was delicious, and I saved the seeds, and I forgot to show you that, so I'm going to show you now how I do it. This is just a plastic cup of water. Here's an extra seed I found that fell. And what I do is I put the seeds in a cup of just water, and I'll let it sit for 3 days. And the good seeds, the viable seeds, will fall to the bottom. The goop and the bad things will stay on top. And then I'll drain it. I'll scoop the whatever's on top off with a little strainer or a fork or something like that. And when it's just the good seeds in the bottom, I will strain it with a strainer, rinse them off good, put them on a paper plate that's a plastic coated paper plate, and I'll dry those for a week, and then I'll store them, make sure they're dry, and then I'll store them away, and then I'll plant them next spring. And if it grows, great. If not, no big loss, but I'm positive it will. It didn't cost me anything because I already enjoyed eating the spaghetti squash. It was quite delicious. And maybe this way I'll get some more to enjoy for years to come. And then if I get some seeds to germinate and I get a plant and I get some more spaghetti squash growing, I can keep that cycle going indefinitely. So yeah, this is just a quick video. I thought people might be interested in the process of saving. If you go to the grocery store and you get a spaghetti squash or any other similar gourd and you want to save the seeds to grow outside, that's how you do it. It's really easy. And then I take some tinfoil here and I just kind of loosely put over the top there to make sure no bugs or anything possible gets into it. And then in 3 days, I'll check back and I'll take you along with me. I'll show you the results. Yeah, I'll do that. Just occurred to me. I'll show you that process. All right. I will be back in 3 days. Hey, Plant Pals, it's Mike Kid Gardener, and this is the second part of me trying to save the spaghetti squash seeds. It's been about 4 days, and it's very stinky. It smells terrible. But supposedly the bad seeds float, and the good seeds fall to the bottom. And I'm going to have to strain all the other gunk out. And that's what I'm going to do now. So I will pause it and be right back. Alright, I'm back. And I thought tomatoes, when you did that process, smelled terrible. These are way worse. But I've got them on a paper plate. I'm going to let them dry out. Probably put them by a fan so that they can really get good and dry before I save them. And one tip is, if you do have a stainless steel sink, when you wash your hands, rub your hands. If you mess with something that smells bad, rub your hands on the stainless steel, like you're chopping onions or whatever. The stainless steel will take that smell away. They even sell stainless steel bars that you can use to rub your hands, and it does work. I thought it was a gimmick at first. I tried it, and it works. So that's just a little tip. All right, that was easier than I thought it would be. We'll see if any of these germinate. This is a grocery store spaghetti squash. We'll know next season if I have any luck with it. And I'll have to do some more research on how long it takes to grow and, when to plant it and all that. That's part of the fun. And it was free to me. I didn't pay for these seeds. I paid for the fruit that I ate, the squash. That was a delicious meal. But these cost me nothing to save. And normally you order a packet of seeds, you get like 10 seeds. And you can see there's probably a good 50, 60 seeds here, so excellent. All right, that was a another part of my little adventure. I'm always having fun, always trying things out. You should too. Any comments, questions, let me know. Any tips? Maybe there's something I did wrong that you can tell me about, or any helpful tips on germinating these things the next spring. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.